Agents, please view agent remarks in bright MLS. Welcome to a rare and stunning custom-built log home that blends rustic charm with upscale comfort, offering a total of 10.5 acres, which includes an additional 6.5-acre parcel for added privacy, recreation, or future possibilities. This one-of-a-kind estate delivers peace, space, and timeless craftsmanship in the tranquil countryside of Clear Spring, Maryland. Step inside to a grand kitchen and dining area featuring soaring cathedral ceilings, 2 skylights that fill the space with natural light, and a cozy wood-burning fireplace. The expansive kitchen offers a large bar with seating, perfect for entertaining or casual everyday living. Through elegant French doors, the inviting living room welcomes you with warmth and space, ideal for relaxing or gathering with guests. The main level includes 2 generously sized bedrooms, highlighted by a luxurious primary suite with a walk-in closet, private bath, dedicated laundry, and an attached office, perfect for remote work or a quiet retreat. Upstairs, a charming loft overlooks the main living area, providing flexible space for reading, hobbies, or lounging. A private hallway leads to the 3rd bedroom, complete with its own walk-in closet and full bath. The finished basement expands your living space with a large family room, a second laundry area, a full bathroom, and abundant storage. Enjoy year-round comfort with a 4-zone heating and cooling system, offering efficient and personalized climate control throughout the home. Car enthusiasts and hobbyists will love the attached 2-car garage with an upper-level woodshop featuring its own heating and cooling. The impressive pole barn adds even more versatility, with extensive storage, additional parking, a kitchenette, full bath, and a large covered porch with automatic blinds, perfect for taking in the surrounding mountain views. Outdoors, the professionally landscaped grounds include a brick patio, garden shed, and dog kennel, ideal for both relaxation and recreation across your expansive acreage. Recent updates within the past 2 years include a new roof, new well pump, and a new HVAC system in the woodshop. Located just minutes from Whitetail Ski Resort and its scenic golf course, this property offers year-round enjoyment right at your doorstep. Whether you're seeking a serene full-time residence, a weekend retreat, or a legacy property with room to grow, 14122 Mercersburg Road delivers exceptional value and unmatched beauty. Schedule your private showing today. Offers may be entered online through Friday, September 4, 2026 at 5 p.m.